We can easily hide rows or row or columns or column in numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. For example, we want to hide this row of data. So at first we need to select here from the header. This is the column header, not column header. This is the row header, like 1 2 3, and this is the row column header. So to hide this entire column, at first we need to choose from the header. If we click here, then we'll see the entire row will be highlighted like this, and then right click, it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose hide row, and once we click here, we'll see that row will be hidden, and here we are not able to see this thing. Same way, if we want to hide any column from our data table, then what we need to do, we just need to choose the column header from the column header. Basically we need to choose the column from this column header. So here we see different columns are there, so we just need to click here. Suppose I want to hide this column, I'm going to click this header and the entire column will be selected, and then right click, and then we can choose this option hide column, and the entire column will be hidden. And that's it. In this way we can easily hide rows or columns in numbers.